Hello. Welcome back again. This is the third lecture that you are going to do in data analytics, and we'll be working with Power Pivot this time. I really hope that you enjoyed Power Query and Power in Microsoft Excel in the last two series that we had. Again, I will be your instructor for this series as well, and if you have any doubts, please contact me, and I will love to help you out with everything. But I get this question a lot of times, why Power Pivot. The same question is actually there for why Power BI and not Tableau, or why Tableau and not Power BI. I'll solve this entire problem with you. We are able to do some of the functions in a better way in Power Query, but some of the functions are better performed in Power Pivot. That's why we have to learn both the concepts, because as I emphasize enough, we have to be efficient with the work that we are doing with data, right? And it's the long this was like the last decade when we were actually working with the data sets only and only on Excel. We have to use more tools. As we saw in Power Query, it was all about cleaning the data, merging it together, getting the best insights. In Power Pivot, we'll be doing the next steps. So we'll load the data in front of us. We'll try to do a lot of more things with this data. We'll try to manipulate the data the way we want to, and that would be it. And if you have any doubts, again, you can contact me regarding this. Secondly, as always, in the last lecture also I emphasized enough on this, and the first lecture also I was emphasizing enough on this. You can contact me anytime for any doubts that you might have, or you can also search on Google. I always prefer everyone to search on Google, because once you do, there's no straight answer, and you will be learning a lot of different concepts all the way. And just like the last two series that we had, I'll be working with the basics, and we'll be going to the really advanced level. And I hope you are able to get the grasp of all of them slowly, one by one. So that would be it from my end in this video. It's a very short video, but it was required for me to give you a brief about what exactly are we going to do, what is next. So I'll see you tomorrow with another Josh. Thank you.